If you are looking for the best furnace filters, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Miller Edge Poly Furnace Door Filter. The Miller Poly Furnace Door Filter may be just what you need. The filters measure 19 inches by 54 inches and come in packs of 4 for convenience. Because these filters are made to be used in mobile homes, they should be mounted in a furnace door using built-in retainers. The manufacturer doesn't provide a MERV rating, but the filters are coated in a sticky substance to help them catch more dust. Reviewers say these are the perfect filters for mobile homes, and they are good quality at a reasonable price. Number 2. Filtrete Furnace Air Filter. Filtrete is a well-established household name in the air filter market. They have produced some of the finest filters at affordable prices for decades. These disposable filters are pleated fiberglass with a tight woven material that captures in-home allergens down to 3 microns. Covering pollen, dust mites, pet dander, and mold and mildew spores, the best Filtrete furnace filters will help you breathe easier with the heat on or the air conditioner blowing. This model features the most common residential sizes, including the standard 1-inch filter, along with both 4-in and 4-inch slim styles and the larger 5-inch thick versions. Number 3. Lennox Healthy Climate Box Filter. This is the best furnace filter for your Honeywell, Carrier, or Tryon Air Bear system that uses a 5-inch filter. The nominal measurement of these filters is 20 by 25 by 5 inches. However, the exact size is 19 3/4 times 24 3/4 by 4 3/8. The 3/8 of an inch on the depth measurement can cause loose fits in true 5-inch systems. If you have a 4-inch system, the fit will be too tight without compromising the integrity of the filter. With a MERV rating of 11, the filter will capture most in-home allergens, including dust mites, pollen, and pet dander. Number 4. AIRx MERV 11 Pleated Air Filter. AIRx allergy filters are pleated 1-inch filters designed to replace Filtrete filters. AIRx anti-allergen filters reduce in-home allergy-causing microorganisms such as mold, pollen, and pet dander. The MERV 11 filters can capture some cigarette smoke, but by nature are not odor-reducing filters. The 90-day filters will not impede airflow and have a reinforced cardboard frame to prevent warping or collapse. You will find that the filters fit most residential fittings, including 14, 16, 18, and 20 inches in many lengths, including 14, 16, 18, 20, and 25 inches. Number 5. Nordic Pure Furnace Air Filters. The best furnace filter for dust control is the electrostatic charged Nordic Pure. With a MERV rating of 12, it will capture allergens, bacteria, pollen, and odors. The electrostatic charge on the cotton fibers will catch and contain bacteria and fungi, preventing it from running through your HVAC system and into the air you breathe. It will also capture cigarette smoke and other chemical odors. The 1-inch filters have a nominal measurement of 16 inches in length and width. The exact measurements are a ½ inch shorter on the length and width and only 1/4 inch on the thickness. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.